can do this. You can so do this. You're gonna use your lavender oil. You only need 4 ingredients and one of them is water. You can do this. What are we making? We're making lavender makeup remover pads. Why do you want to make your own lavender makeup remover pads? Well, because if you make your own, you're not going to have propylene glycol. You're not going to have mineral oil. You're going to find mineral oil in a lot of makeup removers. And mineral oil is a petrochemical. It's made out of crude oil. It's not meant to be eaten, and it's certainly not meant to be putting on your face, because remember, anything you put on your skin is not a barrier, it's a carrier. So anything you put on your skin is going to get absorbed into your body. So we're going to make our own. They're going to be all natural. We're going to use essential oils. Everything in it is going to be good for you. All right, so I'm coming to you from my kitchen because I thought if we were to get together and we would do a DIY, we'd probably gather in the kitchen, right? All right, so I have a little helper, my daughter Kaylee. Hey, she's going to join us. Yay. Okay, all right, so now we just upped the fun level because now it's 2 people. It's a real DIY. Okay, so this is what you need. All right, the first thing you need a canister. To hold your makeup remover pads. I got this one at Hobby Lobby. The price for this was $2.29. So this is what you're going to put in your jar. All right, the first thing you need is 2 tablespoons of V6. So V6 is a vegetable oil blend. It is wonderful to be used as a carrier oil. It's wonderful to be used whenever you're giving a massage, or you're wanting to, maybe you want to massage a drop of pan away into your calves after a good run, or is it working? Yeah. Okay. We're done. Okay, so, and V6 is a vegetable oil complex. It has grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, sweet almond oil. Did I say wheat germ? Sunflower oil, olive oil. So this is just a really nice carrier oil blend that you can get. And it actually does come with a pump. I just haven't put it in yet because I knew I was going to be wanting to just pour it out for DIYs. Okay, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons of V6. That's what's already in there, right? Okay. Then we need 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural plant-based astringent. So we only need 1 tablespoon of that. I'll let you do it.
Okay.
And that's just going to help to clean your skin as you're removing the makeup. This is why you do DIYs with friends. It's more fun with friends. All right, so Kaylee is putting that in. All right, so now that's in. That's it. All right, next thing number 3, 2 tablespoons of water. Super duper easy. Here. Can we do it together?
I hope so.
Well, if you spill it, it's just going to go in, so it'll be fine. Okay, that's
one.
Oh,
one and a half. And
good. Oh,
good.
2 and a whatever. So that's our 3rd ingredient. Okay, and then our last ingredient is 4 drops of lavender. So that's it.
Okay. That was so easy.
Let's stir it up. That was easy, right?
So
we're gonna stir it up
easy.
because the oils are at the top. Does it smell good?
It smells so good. Smell it.
That does smell good. All right, then you're gonna get yourself some Swispers. I got these at Walmart, I think. It's been a little while. All right, so I got these at Walmart, and you know what? I don't know how many are gonna fit. We're just gonna put them in there. Let me count though, because I want you to know. Okay, 5. Let's start with 10.
Okay.
Put 10 in there. I think it's gonna hold more than that.
I think it is too.
We're gonna do 10 more. Now we're getting to 20. Yeah, that'll be good, right?
Oh, perfect.
And I think as they sit, it's just they're gonna get absorbed, like it's gonna even out and it's gonna get absorbed. And then you can put your lid on. There's still room for the lid. All right, so you get 20 makeup remover pads. We could probably put another one in there. You're gonna have 3 weeks worth of makeup remover pads.
Amazing.
No propylene glycol, no mineral stuff, no mineral oil. And you're gonna have lavender oil in there. It's gonna smell wonderful. If you're taking off your makeup before you go to bed, it's gonna that aroma is gonna help you to relax. It's gonna be great for your skin. And what else do we put in there that's good for your skin? All of that V6 oil, the mix, and then also the astringent's gonna help to clean and break down your makeup. It's gonna be awesome. If you have a premium starter kit, you got lavender in your kit, you can go make this tomorrow, or you can go make it tonight. This idea came from the Young Living blog, youngliving.com/blog, and they actually put together an adorable little video, and I pinned it. Did you know that Essential Info is on Pinterest? Yes, so many boards, so many great pens.
Amazing.
Go find us on Pinterest. I'm gonna put a link to the pen that has the video on how to do this. Have a great night.